The law of relativity is one of the fundamental principles of the universe that governs our perception of reality. Unlike some of the other universal laws, this law is not focused on the power of thought or the impact of our actions, but rather on the way in which we view the world around us. It is a reminder that our experiences are relative and can be perceived in different ways, depending on our perspective. In this video, we will explore the law of relativity, its principles, and its implications for our lives. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our channel to be a part of our YouTube family. The law of relativity is one of the fundamental laws of the universe that governs our daily experiences. According to this law, everything in the universe is relative and exists in relation to everything else. This means that our experiences are not absolute and fixed, but rather are relative and can be perceived in different ways depending on our perspective. At its core, the law of relativity reminds us that there is no such thing as an inherently good or bad experience. Instead, our experiences are neutral, and it is our own perspective that determines whether we perceive them as positive or negative. For example, something that may seem like a major problem to one person may be a minor inconvenience to another person. This law also emphasizes the importance of comparison in our lives. We often compare ourselves to others, whether it is in terms of wealth, success, or relationships. However, the law of relativity reminds us that these comparisons are subjective and do not reflect an absolute reality. What may be considered success to one person may not be the same for another person. Moreover, the law of relativity highlights the role of our beliefs and mindset in shaping our experiences. Our beliefs and mindset influence our perception of the world around us and ultimately determine how we experience life. By shifting our beliefs and mindset, we can change our perception of our experiences and transform our lives. It is important to note that the law of relativity does not imply that our experiences are not real or that they do not matter. Rather, it emphasizes that our experiences are relative and can be perceived in different ways depending on our perspective. By recognizing this, we can shift our focus from negative comparisons and judgments to a more positive and empowering mindset. Furthermore, the law of relativity highlights the importance of gratitude and appreciation. When we recognize that our experiences are relative, we can choose to focus on the positive aspects of our lives, rather than comparing ourselves to others. By doing so, we can cultivate a sense of gratitude for what we have and appreciate the blessings in our lives. In addition, the law of relativity teaches us to trust the journey of life and to have faith that everything is happening for our highest good. Even when we are faced with challenges or difficult circumstances, we can trust that there is a greater purpose and meaning behind them. By shifting our perspective in this way, we can find peace and clarity in the midst of chaos and uncertainty. Overall, the law of relativity reminds us that our experiences are relative and that our perceptions shape our reality. By choosing to focus on the positive and cultivate gratitude, trust, and faith, we can create a more positive and fulfilling life.